Thank you for tuning in for another video in my entrepreneurial vlog series. And if you came back for another video, that means you need to go ahead and subscribe right now. Go ahead, stop, pause the video, press the subscribe button. While you're there, turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Yep. And if you're enjoying this entrepreneurial vlog series, then go ahead and smash that like button while you're over there too. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out the way. Top of the show. Okay. So I need to get some organization in my life and with this inventory and everything. And I ordered from Design. Y'all know we love Design. I love Amazon, okay? That we go together real bad, BFFs. So I ordered this 15 drawer rolling cart storage thing. And I want to try to put it together. It's been sitting here for a few days because I ain't really felt like doing it, to be honest. But I did want to do it on camera with y'all. I had started trying to open the box already. So it would just really be amazing if it was already assembled, but I know it's not. So I ain't gonna get my hopes up. But let's see if we can put it together. Now I'm gonna just let y'all know something right now. It's 8:17, 8 p.m. Okay? Okay? I done been at work all day. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. If it's too many steps in this, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. We're gonna have to just cut it short and resume tomorrow because hopefully it's not that many steps. It already got too much styrofoam in here for me, but oh, why it come with gloves? This require like real assembly type stuff. Why I got gloves? Y'all, I'm scared now. I'm gonna hurt myself. I'm scared. I'm scared. I should probably lay the box down. I should probably lay the box down and try to pull this out. Huh? Okay, y'all, so this was pretty simple to put together. It only took me about like 30 minutes. It's 8:57 right now. I really started putting this together around like 8:25. I just checked the timestamp on the video. So yeah, probably like 30 minutes. This is pretty good, pretty efficient. It looks so pretty and sparkly. So I'm excited to organize this, and I'm probably gonna create labels and stuff. I think I kept that other label maker tape. I think it was like silver sparkly. I think I kept that. So if I can find it, then that'll be the one that I use to label these, because I don't want to have to keep looking through just to like find stuff. Oh, let me make sure, because I don't even know if these fit. If these fit. Like if I stand it up that way. Okay. Yeah, we're good then. We good. Yep. Okay. I'm not about to organize this tonight though, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, what's up? So it's another day. It's the next day. I think it's the next day. The organization cart is built. We're about to get into these boxes so I can get some organization going on with my life, okay? Because looking at these boxes is actually pissing me off, because I can't like remember what the inventory is looking like. So yeah, we just about to go ahead and get into that today. So if you're here for some organization, go ahead and stay tuned right now. Drop that. Okay, y'all, so I realized y'all couldn't see what I was doing on the floor in the last clip, so I'm gonna just show y'all. So I am trying to like group similar lashes in the drawers. So I got Sincere and Sacred over here, Saucy and Seductive over here, Sensational and Savage over here, and Sassy and Sadiddy over here. And then what I did with the nails is I did short and medium in here. So short and medium in there, long and extra long in here, and then the double X, triple X is in here, and then there is an extra long that I need to put in the other one. So there's some extra long in here because I have more extra long than space. So I'm gonna move these over to the other drawer. Y'all, so this looks like this is my box of like freebies, stuff that I'm gonna be like giving away. Obviously it'll be repackaged to current branding stuff, but I'm gonna put all of the freebies and giveaways in one drawer. And then because I forgot that these boxes are kind of on the longer side, so they're not gonna fit in the drawer. So what I'm gonna do is take these cards and stuff and put them in one of these drawers, and then that'll free up like the space at the top for me to put the boxes on top. y'all, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a tad bit overwhelmed. I tend to get overwhelmed very, very easily when I got like 99 bajillion thoughts in my head. So forgive me. I got 2 of these little trays left, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm about to do this because apparently it's more stuff than I thought, right? So I was trying to leave some drawers over here, the big drawers, for the bundles when I get the bundles, right? That ain't gonna work. I feel like I just came to the conclusion I'm gonna just have to order another rolling cart specifically just for the bundles. Or maybe not a rolling cart, I might just get like a hair rack. For the bundles. I don't know what's happening with my voice, that's crazy. For the bundles, but I'm gonna have to use this whole thing right now. So I'm trying to figure out if the application kits will be able to fit in here, or if I should use the larger drawers for that because there's so many of them. So I'm gonna try to do one lash applicator kit and one nail applicator kit drawer. I am rearranging them so it can kind of like start the section off. So like the section for the nails will start with the application kits, and then they'll go all the drawers with the nails. And then this will start the section with the lash application kit, and then all the different lashes. So that's how I'm rearranging the drawers over here. Okay, so I'm just about to go through the giveaway stuff and separate it from lashes, nails, and then these are like makeup brush sets. So I might keep this one because I don't know what this is. Probably lash glue, honestly. It's probably definitely lash glue or mascara. Okay, y'all, so it's not at 100% completely done, but this is what we're looking like. So got the boxes and the bags up here, these 2 boxes that were made up. These are all the cards and little thank you stickers and stuff. And then here are the lash applicator kits. And then the lashes. Oh, I'll put these in backwards. They're all coupled up. Coupled up. these are the nail applicators. So I need to spread this out some more so they don't keep pulling out every time. Hopefully. I'm gonna fix it. Not right now. And then these are the short and mediums. These are the long and extra long. Wait, short and mediums, long and extra long, and then double X, triple X. And then over here, I got labels, shipping, packaging stuff, card stock and stuff like that. And then these are the freebies. These are more freebies in here. And then here's some more like packaging stuff. Okay, y'all, so I really just realized that I never even closed this video out. So that is it for the organization vlog for right now. Everything is in the containers perfectly. I do, like I said, I probably need to get like another, either a hair rack or another rolling cart for when I get the bundles in. You guys, I am gonna aim for either July 1st or the 4th of July weekend for my launch date. So just make sure you stay tuned and follow me on all social medias at Candid Beauty Emporium for more updates about the launch date and if it's gonna change. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you press that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload another video. Go ahead and smash that like button because I already know y'all like the content because y'all keep coming back. Y'all keep watching it. And if you keep watching it, that means you need to go ahead and drop your comment down below. So comment and tell me how y'all like this video, how y'all like the organization vlogs. I don't know about y'all, but I like watching other people organize their life. It helps me organize my life. So if this video did that for you in your small business, then go ahead and drop a comment, leave me a heart down below, and until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all.